On this week's Weather Wisdom Wednesday, we're talking about the UV index and some sunscreen tips to help you stay safe this summer. The UV index ranges on a scale from 1 up to 11, and it tells you the burn time that it takes, depending on a few factors. The lowest range takes about 60 minutes for burn time. The highest as low as 10 minutes when the UV index is extreme. You definitely want sunscreen no matter what the UV index is, but when it gets to that very high to extreme, you want to limit your time out in the sun during the hottest part of the day, the midday to early afternoon hours. So how are these numbers calculated? We calculate the UV index based on a few things. The sun angle, which is the highest in the sky when summer begins. The ozone layer, if there's thin spots, that means a higher UV index. And the cloud cover. If we have thick clouds, that means a lower UV index. If you're at a higher elevation, that means a higher UV index, and the time of day as well. The UV index peaks during the middle of the day. And it also peaks when summer begins, which is this upcoming Thursday, June 20th at 4:50 p.m. So as far as sunscreen goes, here's some facts and tips to help you stay safe. Use at least SPF 30+. That blocks about 97% of the sun's rays. Make sure it's broad spectrum UVA and UVB. Most sunscreens last 1 to 2 hours, so make sure to reapply and use waterproof as well. And use mineral versus chemical. That's usually better for your body and the environment. Look for zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. Avoid oxybenzone because that can disrupt your hormones. And keep in mind, sunscreens expire after 3 years, so make sure to go through yours and throw out any old ones. Reporting on the weather deck, I'm meteorologist Violet Skyber. Back to you.